Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are a new viewer, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you stick around, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you are returning and a subscriber, thank you for being here and continuing to watch my videos. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing October budget setup. I'm super excited because we are using the new workbook right here. If you guys like how this looks and you like this setup, definitely check out the link below. It's offered on my website in my shop, so definitely check it out if you are interested. I have 3 months, so October, November, December already up in the shop if you are interested. Thank you so much to everybody that has made a purchase in the shop. I really appreciate it. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, it means so much to me that you guys support me in that way, and all of you that watch my videos to begin with, thank you guys so much. It means the world, and thank you for all of your orders. A lot of them have shipped out already, and yeah, I am working on a couple today as well. So anyway, I keep talking, but yeah, please subscribe, like this video, comment if you have any questions. But we are working with October. It's October 1st. I have a whole video of me showing the ins and outs of this workbook, so I will leave that link down below, but we're gonna work with a few pages today. Some of the stickers that we're gonna be using today for our setup are from Planner Kate. This is for our bills sticker. We have some payday stickers as well from Piper Paper Company, and then I am going to change it up a little bit and do some decorative stickers here. This is the monthly budget page in this workbook, and I know some of you guys have already purchased it, so I hope you're enjoying it, but I want to show you guys how I'm going to be using it, obviously. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So if you are new to budgeting, welcome. I hope you guys are joining, you know, the journey to financial freedom. But basics, really quick. This is what a monthly budget would look like. Some people like to do their budget bi-weekly. I just do it monthly. It's easier for me to, you know, see it this way, and everything's kind of on one page. So for me, I like to just start with my income. Main income can be your salary job, your hourly job. I freelance, so it's just, it's different every single month. So I don't have a set number for my main income. For the month of October, I'm going to lowball myself, you guys, because I don't want to, you know, make less and then I'm completely off my budget and over budget. So I'm gonna lowball myself for this month. For my main income, I'm gonna say it's gonna be $2,000. For YouTube, I'm expecting just $147.54, and then other is pretty much selling stuff on Mercari and stuff like that. I'm going to say about $400 for other, which is again selling stuff on Mercari. So, all right, so totaling up for the month of October, I am budgeting my income to be about $2,547.54. Now, I was going to budget my main income a little higher because I might be getting more money, but again, I don't want to go completely off budget at the end of the month, so I lowballed myself here just to be safe. Again, if you have a set salary and set hourly, then you already know what you're gonna get, but at the end of the month, we are gonna come in and do the actuals. Also, I did not do September week 3 and 4 check-in, and I did not do September closeout. I typically do those 2 videos, but you guys, I've just been very overwhelmed, obviously, with like doing orders and stuff like that. Again, thank you guys so much for everybody that's ordered from the shop, but I've been, yeah, my mind's been on so many other things, so I apologize that the last check-in video for September and the closeout did not post, but we're starting fresh here in October, okay? I'm definitely going to do all the videos for October because I want to show you guys how the workbook is, you know, used. Now, moving on, I'm going to move this up a little bit. We have our fixed expenses. Okay. Now we're moving on to some variable expenses. So for groceries, I'm gonna stick with $100 for the month. I've been doing really well with staying under $100 because I've been trying to eat through my freezer. I have so much stuff in my freezer. Let me know in the comments, are you like me? Do you keep stuff in your freezer? Like, you're just like stockpiled on meats. Like, I have like shrimp and, you know, chicken, and like, it's just like so many random meats in there, and like, I just need to eat through it. So that's what I'm trying to do, and it's been saving me a lot of money during grocery shopping. All right, eating out is $200, sticking with that. Personal is $100. Transportation, I'm doing $120. Again, I've been using Uber and Lyft a lot because things are open and I'm going on dates. I am still dating, which if you follow me on my main channel, then yeah, I'm gonna be doing dating videos very soon again. All right, $60 for a household. And then entertainment is a new one that I added, and that is gonna get $100. And that's just, you know, when I do things with friends and, you know, concerts, museums, stuff like that, that's what is going to be there. All right, and then moving down here. Now, I was going to make a spot for sinking funds in the workbook, but I realized not everybody has sinking funds or can, you know, contribute to sinking funds just yet. So I decided to just, obviously there's a lot of space down here, so I just put a little squiggle and I put sinking funds here, and just to, you know, guesstimate what I would like to put into my sinking funds for the month of October. So for me, again, since the numbers are kind of tight, when I say numbers, I mean my income. This is pretty tight for me for what I typically, you know, have coming in. So for sinking funds, I'm just going to try to put in $300 for the month. And that will be obviously in my sinking funds video if you want to see the breakdown of that, but that's going to be later this month. Again, we'll find out at the end of the month what I actually put in. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm going off track here. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go back. So for our fixed expenses, I'm sorry you guys, I am like so out of it. I've just been like nonstop doing things, and I'm pretty out of it. So going back to our fixed expenses, our total for our fixed expenses is $1,014.91. So just to kind of follow within our budget, I'm going to take our total estimated or budgeted income, $2,547.54 for the month. I'm going to subtract our fixed expenses, which the total is right here. So minus $1,014.91, which we have $532.63 left remaining. So that's what we have there. Sorry, I'm out of it, you guys. My legs are shaking. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with me right now. So now we're going to add our variable expenses and our sinking funds of what we are budgeting. And the total for that is $980. I already did this math on the side just so I didn't have to do it on camera. But now we're gonna take this remaining number, which we have here, and we're gonna subtract what we're estimating our variable expenses will be and our sinking funds. So that's minusing 980. So we have $552.63 left over. So this number right here is a number we are working with. And then from this number, 552.63, we can see what we can put into our savings challenge, into debt snowball, and stuff like that. So this is kind of what we have left over to play with. Looking at these numbers already, you guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to do all of my savings challenges. I was doing so well, I was on track, but you know, as the months go on, my income fluctuates, and sometimes I can't, sometimes you just can't do it, right? So, yeah, I have $552.63 left to work with for savings challenges and debt snowball. But again, these are going to be different videos, but I just wanted to show you guys how the monthly budget workbook you know, is used, and that's how I'm using mine here. Again, these will be filled out at the end of the month, and so will all the actual. All right, you guys, now we have our month on 2 pages. Please ignore the sticker up here. I put this like Halloween sticker up here. It's like a gold foiled Halloween sticker. I don't love it, but it's already there, so we're just gonna leave it. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do now with our monthly view. So on this, I like to mark when my paydays are. So we're gonna use these, and then we're gonna lay down where the bills go. So paydays, we have obviously our main income, which I decided to do that bi-weekly. I used to do it weekly, and since things have kind of slowed down, I'm just gonna do it bi-weekly now. These are from Piper Paper Company. They're little like dollar bills. I think I'm gonna use the orange because October. And then these payday stickers you've seen before, they are also from Piper Paper Company. So our main income, we're gonna get that on the 8th, and then also on the 22nd here. So we're just gonna lay these down. You guys don't, again, you don't have to use stickers like this. I just like to because I love decorative stickers. And then we're gonna use the payday script. All these are linked down below. So the 8th, and then the 22nd. All right, so those are when, you know, we're gonna get paid. Oh, actually, YouTube. Duh. YouTube payday. I have these from Chasing Chels. I'm trying to use them up. So I'm going to use this little girl here. And that is on the 21st. Boop. And then we'll get one more payday sticker here. Just to mark that. Whoops. That's a little crazy. Okay. And now we're going to lay down when our bills come out. So I like to see my bills on a monthly view because it lets me know when I have something coming out, if it's coming out soon, if I need to prepare for anything. So I wonder if I can zoom you guys in a little more. Let's try to do that. These again are from Planner Kate. So we have rent, which comes out on the 1st of every month. Okay. And then we have our Apple storage. That comes out on the 8th. Okay, so we're gonna put it right under this payday here. I apologize for all the city noises. I can't control it. All right, renter's insurance. My renter's insurance comes out on the 14th. So we'll put that right here. Oh. Okay, right there. And then we have our phone bill. Phone comes out on the 15th. So we'll put that there. And then the gym comes out on the 17th. 17th. I don't know why I'm like so shaky. It's so weird. I find it very odd. All right, anyway, 17th is the gym. And then we have internet comes out on the 22nd. Again, we'll just line that up there. Spotify comes out on the 25th. Okay, let's move this up so you guys can see the 25th. And then electric comes out on the 28th. Okay. And then gas, I mean, it used to come out in the beginning of the month, but now it's been coming out on the 30th. So we're going to put it on the 30th. All right, so that is when all of my bills are coming out. All right, so that is it for our monthly view and for our setup. Again, I just like looking at when everything comes out, and it also helps during our weekly check-in to see, oh my gosh, I spent so much in certain weeks, I have these bills coming, so I need to adjust. So it's just really easy to adjust to your budget when you have it like that. Alright, that is pretty much it for October budget setup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this from the monthly to the actual monthly budget itself. I'm super excited to use this workbook with you guys throughout the month and check back in for sinking funds and savings challenges and debt snowball and all of that. Again, if you guys are interested in the actual printable workbook, definitely check out the link below. Super thankful for all of you who've made purchases and all of you that are watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.